today's video, I'm sharing a powerful rice water glow hack that helps fade dark spot and brighten your skin using simple, natural ingredients. First, I'm using 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then, I add 1 tablespoon of rice water. Next, 1 teaspoon of castor oil. And I add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now, I mix everything well until smooth. Want brighter, smoother, and younger looking skin? This powerful DIY blend of rice flour, rice water, castor oil, and tomato paste works to deeply cleanse, brighten, and nourish your skin. Rice flour gently exfoliates, while rice water help tighten pores and improve the skin texture. Castor oil deeply hydrates and lock in moisture. And tomato help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spot. Together, this blend help control oiliness, fade hyperpigmentation, leave your skin looking smoother and more radiant. Try it regularly and glow naturally.